guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some super easy and delicious flaky empanadas and salsa verde. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in that description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. So we're going to begin by grabbing our pan. We're going to set it at medium heat. And to that we're going to add a little bit of oil and just allow it to heat up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add half of an onion. We're going to give it a couple minutes. And after a couple minutes, we're going to add one minced garlic clove. Just going to give it about 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds, we're going to add our ground beef. Going to break it down. We're going to season our meat with all of our spices. Just mix it and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, we're going to drain our meat just to remove all of the fat. So now we're just going to add our chopped poblano peppers. Mix it. And here, taste your meat for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So we're just going to set it to the side and allow it to cool down. Okay, while we wait for our meat to cool down, we're going to quickly make our salsa verde. So we're going to grab our comal and we're going to begin to roast our tomatillos. Make sure that you rinse them well, along with our serrano peppers. I'm using 4, but of course, depending on how spicy you want your salsa, then it depends on how many chile serranos to use. Or you can substitute for jalapenos. And we're going to be roasting them for about 5 minutes. And then we can flip them over. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to flip our tomatillos and chiles over and just allow them to char for another 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our tomatillos and chiles should be ready. So we're just going to transfer them to our blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, to a blender cup, we're going to add our minced garlic, our 1/4 of an onion chopped, handful of cilantro, and salt. And now we're just going to crush everything together. All right, so once we have it, we're going to transfer it to our bowl or jar. Okay, so here you want to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our dough. Okay, to make our dough, we're going to transfer our flour into a large bowl. To that, we're going to add our salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon, but of course, that's all to taste. So just mix it. Okay, to our flour, we're going to add our shortening. And with our clean hand, we're going to crumble it with the flour. Okay, and once we break down our shortening, we're going to slowly pour our hot water. So just as hot as your hand can handle. And we're just going to hydrate our flour. Okay, and once our flour has hydrated, now we're just going to knead for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our dough should be nice and smooth. So now we're going to get ready to divide it into small balls. Just like that. All right, so once we have divided our dough, we're going to allow it to rest for 20 minutes. All right, so after 20 minutes, our dough should have rested and our meat should have cooled down. So now we can get ready to shape our empanadas. So we're going to begin by grabbing our ball of dough. Press it down. Okay, we're going to begin to roll it out until we have a flat disc. So just flip it back and forth. Okay. And once ready, we're going to add our cheese. Then our ground beef. Okay, we're going to dip our finger in water and rub it on the edge of the dough. Grab one side and begin to seal it. Okay, and I like to go to the top, fold it, press it down just to create a nice edge. Just like that. Okay, and just like that we have empanada. So now we're just going to set it to the side and repeat the process to the rest of our dough. All right, so once we have stuffed and shaped our empanadas, now we can get ready to fry them or bake them. So we love our empanadas fried, so I'm going to be preparing my oil. So here I already have my pan set on medium heat. And I'm just going to allow it to reach 350 degrees. Okay, and once our oil is ready, we can get ready to begin frying. And we're just going to be frying until our empanadas are nice and golden. Okay, and once our empanadas are nice and golden on both sides, we're going to remove them from the oil Set them on a kitchen towel or paper towels. And we repeat the process. And once we have our empanadas, we can get ready to serve. And I'm just going to be serving with a side of sour cream and of course our salsa verde. And just like that, get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, I hope you give these empanadas a try. They're seriously super easy to make. And you know, the best part is that if you don't like spicy, you can always just, you know, enjoy them like that by themselves. Or you know, you can always have control over the salsa, but this is honestly the perfect combination. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's honestly the best. It's so cheesy. The empanada is so flaky. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious empanadas and salsa verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.